In this video, I will show how to delete first name or last name in Excel. So we can see we have this list. There are some names with first and last. You want to remove first or last name. Select this column. Control H to open, find and replace. So use the shortcut to open, find and replace. Also you can open by here. In find what? Type star, then space, then click on find all. Click on replace all. This way you can remove last name in just one click. To remove first name, same select column, Control H. Now here, this time, press star first, then space, then replace all. Space restar. So write wise H space and star, then press enter, then replace all. So this way you can remove first or last name. Thanks for watching.